How to download Origin on Windows. Here are the ways to download Origin on Windows. Asterisk download from the Origin website. Asterisk you can download Origin from the official Origin website. To do this, go to the Origin website and click on the download button. You will then be prompted to download the Origin installer. Once the installer has been downloaded, you can run it to install Origin on your computer. Asterisk download from the Microsoft Store. Asterisk you can also download Origin from the Microsoft Store. To do this, open the Microsoft Store and search for Origin. Once you have found Origin, click on the install button to install it on your computer. Asterisk download from a third-party website. Asterisk there are also a number of third-party websites that offer Origin downloads. However, it is important to be careful when downloading Origin from third-party websites, as some of these websites may offer fake or malicious versions of Origin. Here are the minimum system requirements for Origin. Asterisk operating system. Asterisk Windows 7, SP1 or later, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, or Windows 10. Asterisk processor. Asterisk Intel Core 2 Duo 2.4 GHz or equivalent. Asterisk memory. Asterisk 4 GB RAM. Asterisk hard disk space. Asterisk 1 GB free space. Asterisk graphics. Asterisk DirectX 9.0C compatible graphics card with 256 megabytes of video memory. Once you have downloaded Origin, you can start using it to download and play games from the EA catalog.